Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Catlin here, helping out with some more homework problems. We are on homework problems 1.4. We're hitting question number 2 and number 3 here, and we're going to help you get these right. That's what we're here for. And we're looking at quadrilateral ABC, D, 4 sides. It is a scaled copy. PQRS is a scaled copy of this figure. So we're imagining out there somewhere another figure with letters P, Q, R, and S in ABCD spot. And the question goes to say that point P corresponds to A, so this would be like where P is, Q goes to B, R to C, and S is to D. And if the distance from P to R is 3 units, right? So what I would recommend, if they're telling you that there's a new figure that looks like this, and they're giving you sizes, I would sketch it. Okay, so it might not be the exact same figure, might not look exactly the same to you, but I'm going to sketch it. We've got A matching with P, we've got Q going where B is, we got C matching up with R, and S is in D's place. And it says that the distance between P and R, so we're talking about the distance from here to here, P to R, which would be the distance from A to C, same thing, right? That distance corresponds, and on this one it's 3 units, okay? And then over here in our drawing, we can count it out. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So just from that sentence alone, I should already say that the scale factor from the original ABCD to the new PQRS is a times 1/2, because 3 is half of 6. So we get that just from that sentence alone. If this is true, okay, it's asking what is the distance between Q and S. So now that we know this is half, all right, we want to know Q to S, which is like the distance that corresponds with B to D. So let's do a different color here. Okay, B to D would be this distance, which corresponds over here for Q to S. They want to know how long that is. Well, we know we got a half scale factor from our original to this new one. So if this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if this is 6, then that means that it is 3, because half of 6 is 3. So we know that from QS is equivalent to 3, okay, and we can show that because BD is equal to 6, and then we do 6 times the scale factor to get 3. And this is our scale factor, which we kind of show over there in our drawing too, right? Scale factor of the half to shrink it down to half the size, and that's what we get. All right, and explaining our reasoning, we need a sentence for that. We could say we use scale factor to find unknown side. All right, and our scale factor was half. We used it with multiplication of the side we did know that corresponds to the one that we didn't. And last one, to make a batch of lavender paint, the ratio of cups of pink paint to cups of blue is 6 to 5. So pink to blue is 6 to 5. Find 2 more ratios of cups of pink paint to cup of blue paint that are equivalent. So we just need some equal ratios to that original 6 to 5. So lots of ways you can do this. You can do like a half, double, triple. I'm kind of a double fan. I like to double things. So we could say, you know, double the 6, double the 5. You could mix 12 pink and 10 blue and still make the same color of lavender, which is a beautiful color. Or you could do a triple. You know, multiply both numbers by 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And as is, 5 times 3 is 15. So an 18 to 15 mixture would be equivalent and make the same beautiful color of lavender. And that knocks out questions 2 and 3. I hope this was helpful. Y'all have a good day.